Hello my friends, it's NG World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you apply Vaseline and baby oil on your skin and get baby looking skin, remove wrinkles and fine lines naturally, and get an amazing baby looking skin with very simple ingredients. We just apply baby oil and Vaseline on your skin and see the magic. The first ingredient we will need is Vaseline. And add 2 teaspoons. And then my friends, we need baby oil, and here I'm using Johnson baby oil, and add 2 teaspoons. And then we'll need aloe vera gel, and here I'm using 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel. I'm using the market aloe vera gel. You can use natural aloe vera gel instead. Now mix the ingredients very well. Now after mixing the ingredients, apply it on your skin like so. And you will see results from first use. Use it before you sleep at night. Every night before you sleep, apply this remedy, and you can store it for up to 30 days or more. It lasts long, guys. It doesn't go bad or anything. And store it and use it every night before you sleep, and you will get rid of any wrinkles in your skin, and you will lose any kind of bad looking wrinkles, eliminates deep wrinkles and fine lines, and you will get baby looking skin naturally. I hope that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies, leave a nice comment and give that video a big like, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.